Hello guys, the boss here. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Vidyo on your unjailbroken phone. As you can see, I am not jailbroken. I am iOS 9.3.5, which is the latest version. And okay, let's go and download the video. First thing you have to do is go to your Safari. Go to this link. I will provide it in the description, so don't worry. Press the blue one, it means download, then select install and go to your home screen. Let's wait for it until the download finished. Okay, now next step is go to your settings, go to general. Nope, not that one. General. Then go to your profiles and device management and select growing tides childcare. Trust that app and you can now run video on your iDevice. Congrats! As you can see, you can run video. So we have alternative link for that one, which is from installer.net. If you want to download from them, what you should do is go to your Safari, go to the link, it's installer.net. I will provide the link in the description also, so don't worry. Install Amos for you in your device, then click install, put your passcode if you have, click install, and done. Then go to your home screen, open Amos for you. He said click the top left corner for GUI, so click that one, go to apps, what happened? Okay, let's try again. Open. Click the top left corner. Open apps. So here it is. Scroll down and this is the video. So install that app just like what we did in the first link. Install. And that's it. So that's all guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see ya. Peace.